Okay. So I just turned my PC on and I'm back. I did reflect a bit and kind of realize some things, right? What was I doing before when I was feeling so good when I was trading? That was what I was reflecting upon, right? Let me just do one thing because I have to put my thumbnail here. Boom, here. And I realized that what I did before, I purely gave up on the idea of profitability. That's what changed, right? Also, let me go over this real quick. This was the opportunity of today, actually, on GU. But as I said, when I'm on a bad mental state, I cannot see the market. I'm blind. But after that, I realized, okay, this was the bullish range, equilibrium prices. We reached back into equilibrium, and into equilibrium, look what we had, a really nice market structure shift to target internal liquidity. So this was our opportunity for London. At least this was our opportunity for London. Now I do like slightly how we're building this buy sell liquidity, but for now I wouldn't really be looking to trade. Maybe a short actually, but let's see. We did raid sell side here, right? We did raid sell side, but we have a lot of buy side here, so we're gonna see. I just want to talk a bit about what I realized. Let me move this to my second monitor, 1 second. So okay, what I realized, this is what I realized. Let me open my main. So there's one thing, when you flag profitability as something impossible, what do? All the pressure to get profitable disappears. All that pressure disappears. That's what I realized. That's how I ended up being in that mental state where I was just so in love with just being and seeing charts and just watching charts, is because I purely gave up on the idea of profitability. I flagged it as impossible, and when you flag it as impossible, all the pressure disappears. The pressure of making this work, the pressure of making money, the pressure of growing the account, all these pressure disappears. So it all comes down to this. When you think like this, when profitability gets out of your mind, the only thing that is left is love for the process. So it only comes from this mindset, this belief, right? Even though it might sound controversial because, oh, you're saying profitability is impossible, but that's how you reach that state of just showing up of pure love every single day. Okay, here we rated. Now I just want to take a quick look at the market to see whether we get some opportunities. This was really bearish actually. This could have been another opportunity here to be shorting of this bearish video of this, but yeah, let's see. We're looking pretty bearish for now. Wouldn't really be doing anything. Here we do have all this trendline liquidity here on go, which is pretty nice for a sweep. Oof, if we actually reach back into this might be a good setup. If we reach back into this consolidation, I wouldn't know if I would really be buying yet, but we're gonna see. Ooh, I do like this buy sell liquidity here on AUD/USD. Let's see, do we see something? Thing is, we have these equal lows right here. Maybe if we sweep this lows, we can have a potential scalp towards this buy sell liquidity, or if we take that buy sell liquidity, we can have a potential scalp lower to actually target the sell side, which probably would be better if you think about it that way. But yeah, they're in a kind of weird state, I would say. Interesting. Want to check UK. Okay. We have this buy sell liquidity rate, this 50-minute VG. Yeah, this is looking good on taking bearish prices, but sadly we cannot really be trading here. But it already looks good to just take off the short here. I'm just gonna try it on the demo because sadly we cannot be trading this. What is low resistance here? I would say probably until here, until this New York resistance area. And we're just gonna demo because we cannot trade UK sadly on our current broker, so we're just gonna do this. And DAX is way bearish. So let's see also NASDAQ, where we are situated. Let me remove this. I would say we're probably gonna be targeting that high, but we printed this bearish gap, which is slightly weird. It's kind of in a weird state. I wouldn't really be worrying too much about this. Also, Euro's in a weird state, right? We're looking pretty bearish, but we also took sell side here, which is not something I would generally like. to be taking any trades, but I do like this internal liquidity here that we have, but I wouldn't like targeting into this, to be honest. I don't really see any setup here, but yeah, it's weird, right? It's very rangy. I mean, it's kind of expectable of a pretty much before CPI. We kind of expect something like this to happen. It's very weird, so don't really see any setup unless, I don't know, we print something lower time frames. This probably looks the best here to just keep following trend lower. We did take this, but I wouldn't really necessarily consider that massive liquidity. I would consider this as a target, this as a target. Yeah, it's just weird. We don't have very good setups here, but I would just pay attention to this. We did take Asian lows, which this could have made a potential like very short-term scalp here, either of this inversion or of this. To look at this here like 1-to-1, it would have been possible. To be honest, to look to target this internal liquidity, I think this would be possible, but yeah, we're just a bit late, so we cannot really do that shit right now. I would like also like a short-term scalp here would be decent of the sell side sweep, and we look to target this buy side liquidity, which is definitely an area we should be technically drawn towards, but I do want to see the sweep here, so maybe a really short-term scalp here. We're gonna see. I don't really like UK. I'm sad that I cannot trade this, bro. I really love indices, like New York indices. But yeah, this was a good opportunity here. Let's see whether we go. Should be reaching into that buy side though. We have pretty nice. We have the sell side. So we had the sell side rate. We had these rejections build here. Then we mitigated. We rate this low, and then we have a really nice inversion here to take price higher towards internal liquidity, which is also POI, which towards where we should always retrace anyway. So yeah, this looks like a good potential setup. We're just gonna look at here. I also like it for a really short-term scalp here of the sell side sweep. We have this FVG, and I'm generally just looking to draw this. It's a very short-term idea basically. We do have a lot of sell side. Like, the market is very weird here. We gotta be really careful when we're considering trading. I'm actually kinda tempted to just be straight up buying here. Is this true? I kinda wanna do this. I don't know. I think it's good. Like a no way, it doesn't let me buy it though. The third sub entry, I never tried this something like this, but it's really interesting. Let's see how we basically entered. It's like a turtle sub entry. Stop loss is below this FVG, just looking to target this. Ooh, but we get kind of crazy hard though in it, just to target this buy side liquidity. I'm curious about this. Let's see. TPs on these highs. It's like a 1-to-1, very small risk, but it's all good though. We don't need a lot of risk, just a turtle sub entry. I never really tried this. I know sometimes it's a good thing to do of a turtle sub entry. In this case, I would say yeah, it's probably a fine entry. Got yeah, 1-to-1 R, which is fine, low risk. We're just having a bit of fun, you get what I mean? Curious about this turtle sub. It should probably go though, but it does depend because timing is not great, but it's interesting. Yeah, this was also the scalp when you were looking to buy towards that. This was a very like, yeah, probably we could have went like a stop loss like this, very short term, and we could have stretched a 2R towards this high. Even though it's lunchtime, I would still say we're likely on delivering higher. Oh shit, we're not looking great. We're not looking great, but yeah. Where's our stop loss? Below the CVD, so we're chilling. Maybe a turtle sub entry is not something good to do, but it's all good though. Gold here, I'm really looking for that trendline sweep, but I don't know if I really want to be shorting after sales I got taken. But if we reach here, this for me is very an area of interest, to be honest. An area of interest. So we'll see. Maybe here in more confluence we actually be skidding, but I like how we're rejecting the low. It just has to carry on. Turtle sub entry. That's something interesting. I want to learn. One more confluence, we might be scaling in. Because I do like these are probably the best liquidity to get or to get taken is these wicks right here. This wicks, my bad. This wicks right here are the best liquidities to see to trade off a liquidity get taken are this wicks. Even though yeah now it's very lower time frame. It's a very lower time frame liquidity, but yeah, just in general, right? Just in general. Maybe we should have waited for a retrace, man. But I'm still pretty confident that we're actually gonna reach higher of this liquidity sweep here. Especially if we keep rejecting it. If we don't, it's probably fucked, but we don't really care. For me, it doesn't really matter. The result of a trade at this point, I completely detached of profitability of results. I'm just trading legitimately how I love it. Maybe off this sweep here, we can actually again get a retake entry higher. I would say we still should be holding. I like this as a POI, this new week opening gap here. But we left off that 50-minute VG, which is why we're reacting so strong lower. But yeah, see, we're kind of, this is good, we're kind of holding that low pretty nicely here. We're holding that low. I don't know where we got filled. We got filled a bit above, but yeah, let me do this. Okay, but it's weird, look how this looks compared to this. Like a really short term scalp, but I would say this is still fine. Turtles. Oh shit. Bro, what? Why am I 0.5 in profit when my entry is here? What does you mean, bro? I don't know what's wrong with this. But yeah, maybe on another gap I'm still probably gonna scale in because I do like this trade off a short term. Oh, I think we're already going. Here we have to be careful at this inversion. Turtle soup entry, my first time I think ever taking an entry like this. But we can actually leave runners because remember we have a really good target, so I'm definitely gonna be scaling in actually soon on this low. Boom. Oh my god, but the spread is horrendous, bro. The spread is horrendous, but I think we should be fine. I just scaled in on movement basically. And we are looking to be targeting this. I don't know about timing though, and our fill is not great at all. But yeah, you should have probably waited for this gap. We should probably start doing that's not good. That's not great, but yeah. I don't know about this though. We should probably still be fine. We just reacted of that inverse, which is expectable in a sense. But yeah, we're not doing great. Not a great rejection though, but it's still fine. Okay, euro. I would still be down to buy euro if we manage to retrace a bit here. Our fill is garbage. Look where we got filled, bro. Fuck this spread, bro. I think I'm never market executing ever again. Look at this, bro. Garbage fucking fill. I'm not gonna lie. And on this, I'm actually leaving. I'm probably gonna move TP for both of the positions. If I can actually move my TP for both of the positions. Modify. If we even reach that point. I guess. Here we go, see. Should probably still find. I'm confident reaching higher here. But the fill we got is absolutely fucking horrendous. Spread is pretty huge at this moment in time. Both our TPs are on Asian highs, which is here. We should be overall reaching there still. But I do want to see us inverse this shit right here. But spread is fucking horrendous, bro. What is that? I think I bought around here and look how big spread is. It's definitely not gonna be market executing again. Here we should have just, I don't know. I mean, we didn't necessarily have a POI either, but yeah, this was our scalp almost working here on euro. Gold still not doing much. Okay, Geo is pretty weak actually, but now we have this inversions right here for me to take. I wouldn't. Might not be that bad to just be looking at buys of this, but mm, still would like to see this bearish range get fought off first. Yeah, not great rejection. We're getting off that high, but it's all good though. Just trust in the process. Not a good rejection at all. We're probably doomed. Yeah, Jules very bearish over that 50-minute bearish AVG we had here. We just print massively bearish. So that's interesting at least. As long as we keep closing above this, it's gonna be decent. Otherwise, I'm not sure. Yeah, we're doomed, bro. I need to kind of stop taking these very troll trades, bro. I need to lock in. God damn. I've been really experimenting a lot, but I don't think generally this was a bad trade. We had really obvious liquidity. We had a sell array. We just didn't have a follow-up, which was a 1 minute gap or some shit. We didn't have a follow-up, basically, which didn't confirm a switch in momentum or at least a momentum higher. That's why we're reacting so hard lower. Hi, bro. Hi. This is a gamble. I need to stop gambling, bro. I mean, trading is fun, but there gotta be some limits. Oh, for turtle soup entry, not that bad. I wouldn't say it's bad. I mean, it's not going that great trading, but yeah, I'm not really trading for results anymore. I'm just trading for fun at this point. Like I'm trading a demo. I'm not trading a demo, but I'm pretending like I'm trading a demo. But I need to stop gambling this much. How's it for you, bro? Did you take any trades today? We didn't take this, but this was one of our ideas. This might be interesting. The Jew trade here. We keep reacting higher now. Probably this would have been our entry when we see this inversion. If we see the inversion. But yeah, this probably is a bit riskier. Yeah. I mean, I was kind of down, bro. Lately, I was kind of down. Kind of down, but I brought myself back. I feel a lot of pain these days. I'm not gonna lie. But I changed. Kind of what I did these days is just give up the desire for profitability. Like that was what I did, to the point where every day I'm showing up because I just love trading and just to have fun, treat it like a video game. You know what I mean? Like I got tired of feeling so much pain when you lose, feeling all these stuff, worrying about when you're gonna turn profitable, worrying about if this shit is ever gonna work, worrying about what should you fix in your strategy to make it work, and so on and so forth. And I just kind of full gave up that. I have skipped the London, so we'll try to force doing New York. Okay, it's probably the better choice. We didn't have a lot of great movement in London today. There was one opportunity I saw on Jew, which was, but I didn't take it. I took a lot of losses today, but it's all good though. This was my opportunity here of a 50-minute AVG, which we had sell side sweep, just taking price towards this internal. That was kind of it, but ended up taking some stupid trades. But it's probably a good choice. Good job to you, because today it doesn't look that great. Yeah, we're screwed. We're over. I mean, I need to stop taking, like, I understand, like, sure bro, sure, like, have fun, but come on, like, you already know the shit is not good. I would still like to see this, but we have a lot of buy side liquidity here. I would like to target that, and we also took the sell side, especially on euro, so for me it still looks good. We might, are we saved? This was a troll entry. I need to stop trolling, to be honest. It's fine to have fun, but yeah, you gotta trade your best. I feel like I want to see if this ends up supporting price higher, and then we can see a rebalance here. I would still like to target it as well. We have a lot of internal liquidity both on all the pairs pretty much, but yeah, this already stopped us out. We're losing so much today. I lost like $15, almost all the equity curve, but I need to stop. But it's all good though. And this is over. Like, I mean, they're troll trades, bro. I need to stop doing this shit, bro. Goddamn, what am I doing? I mean, it's not that bad, but it's timing bad. Is the fact that we still have this 50-minute VG, we still have sell side, like, and these conditions are not great to be necessarily trading in. Like, look at this price action. What am I doing? Why am I trading this, bro? I don't understand. What am I doing? I need to kind of, I don't know, slap myself. And wake up. Pretty much. I mean, not really, bro. Nothing much. When I'm off the charts, I don't have a life, pretty much. My life is trading. Okay, this one, we're still in it. I'm just, the only basically activity I have off the charts is I play video games sometimes and I work out. That's pretty much it. And my content. That's how my life is. That's why it's so hard not to care about trading and not let results affect you. But yeah, maybe now we actually look like we're gonna leave. We came to this, yeah, now we're leaving, but I already took that stupid fucking buy here. I was scaling. Like, sometimes, bro, I need to wake up, bro. What am I doing? I mean, I don't know if I want to be scaling in right now, but this looks like a good inversion that we have here. I don't know if I want to be scaling in again. I mean, yeah, in a sense locked in, but I haven't really been fully locked in, like, in terms of my trading. Yeah, no distractions, yeah, kinda, but it's, I don't know if it's worth. Okay, our demo fucking got destroyed here. I don't know if it's worth living like this, to be honest. I wouldn't really advise anyone living like this. It's not a great feeling. We're also trading pre-New York, so I wouldn't really. But now we rebalance equilibrium prices, which makes the trade slightly better, but I wouldn't be scaling. It's just stupid. It's stupid to be scaling. I need to stop and hold myself accountable and stop fucking trading these shitty setups. I need to wake up. I wouldn't recommend anyone to live like this because it's very fucking hard. It's very hard to live like this and make trading work when all your life is trading, basically. It's very hard to make things work. I wouldn't recommend anyone to live like this. But now it's pretty much too late for me. Trading is the only thing that can legitimately kind of save my life in a sense. This would be a better opportunity though. I would like buying on you here because we're in this very high resistance area and I really expect this to hold price higher. And we do have these really nice equal highs here that I would like to target actually. But I don't know about lunchtime though. Do I want to trade pre-New York? Do I not want to trade pre-New York? So a lot of things that I'm still experimenting with scalping, but I definitely need to be waking up because yeah, it's fine, trade for fun, trade for whatever, but yeah, execution can't be that dumb. Like, come on. Could have been a good game, but come on, like trading pre-New York, bro. What am I doing? Like, see, like it's just kind of spiraled into very bad trades lately. Like last week, I had really good trades. Yeah, bro. I hope they will pay off, but at this point, I just kind of give up on really, I don't know, trying to do this for money. Now I'm really staying just because I love it, because trading a $40 account will not change your life, right? Trading like this will not change your life, so I just don't want to think about it. I just want to enjoy what I'm doing, and that's pretty much it. Just show up from love every single day, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to be thinking about whether I'm going to turn profitable, whether I'm not, When is my life gonna change? When is my life not? I'm just trying to make the best out of what it is right now. So yeah, right now I'm really need to be focusing. I'm probably gonna be back testing for the rest. I'm gonna go smoke a cig and I'm gonna back test, cause come on, bro, what am I doing, bro? Like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, bro, I need to wake up. Like, Jesus fucking Christ, what am I doing? I just lost like, and last week I was at $70. Now I'm at 45. I need to wake up, bro. I don't know what am I doing. Look at this shit right here. Like, straight up losses. Just my mindset fell and my trade fell and everything fall off. Like, bro, I need to wake up, really. I need to wake up, because, I mean, of course I don't want to. I'm 23 years old, bro. How old are you? I need to wake up. It's okay, though. Like, in life you fall, but as long as you kind of catch yourself at the end of the day, it's fine. I really need to be waiting for those really good setups, and I'm going to practice some backtesting. Trade selection is extremely important. So, and in conditions like this, realistically, in conditions like this, what am I doing? Why am I trading? Like, this is what I don't understand. Like, this is why, yeah, when your mindset is off, you need to be taking a break. Because here, what the fuck, why would you trade? The only way I would trade, it would be if we sweep the slow, bro. What am I doing, bro? Bro, like, what I mean, like, what am I generally doing? Nice, bro, nice. We're the same age, almost the same age. Like, it's just that, I don't know, profitability really, when you're focused on profitability, everything fucking falls apart. Your trade execution, your trade selection, everything falls apart. Everything falls apart. That's why I don't want to ever in my life think about profitability. All I want to think about is what I'm seeing. Is this a good trade? Is this not a good trade? You know, like, being focused in my trading. That's how I want to be trading every single day. This is good. Even I would actually be preferring solos here, and this would be a decent setup if we manage to sweep this internal towards New York Open. And just looking to target this low with this low. Yeah, and AU, bro, what am I doing? Like, AU is clearly the only area I would be trading this here, but even here, what is this? Why am I trading it? Bro, like, this is what I mean. I'm so fucking, like, just everything slipped without me realizing. Like, what am I trading, bro? Like, last week I ended up taking such good trades, bro, and now what am I doing? Like, I didn't even realize. The sacrifices might be worth it at some point in life, but I just don't want to think about whether they're gonna be worth it, whether me technically wasting 3 years of my life with no girls, no life, no nothing is ever gonna work. I don't want to think about that. I just want to, I don't know, just enjoy the present moment and be focused in the present moment. I don't want to be worrying, like, all my life I worried so much about whether these sacrifices are going to be worth it, whether I'm going to ever reach profitability, whether all these things are just eating my energy, and I don't ever want to think about that again. I just want to show up from love purely every single day. That's what I'm learning, and that's what I'm stepping in right now. I don't even care about profitability. I just care about loving, bro, because we all started, that's the hard part, we all started because of the money. That's the hard part. We all started because of the money, but at some point you're gonna realize that you desiring to make money is gonna hold you back from making money, especially in trading. And I got in from the money, but I want to stay because I love the genuine the process. Yeah, bro, everything happens for a reason. Everything, I agree with you, and thank you for your words. Everything happens for a reason, but this period was really hard for me because I lost the 50k account. I lost an account that I traded for 10 months. I had 200 trades in it. I was break even for a lot of time on it, and now, yeah, it was a hard period, but I wasn't so affected by it. But yeah, it's just kind of knowing that, yeah, went from a 50k account to trading a $50, so it's a big difference. But that's why I said I just don't want to care at all. I just want to, like, show and do everything from a space of love. That's probably my biggest desires right now. I don't want, like, when you trade for profitability, everything's gonna fucking hurt. Everything's gonna hurt when you're not gonna have the results you want. Is gonna fucking hurt when you lose that account. It's gonna fucking hurt. But when you generally just do it because you love it and do trading because you love it, these things are not gonna hurt you anymore. And yeah, that pain that you feel is not good. I don't want to ever feel pain from the thing I love doing. I don't want to ever feel pain from trading again because I love fucking trading. I don't want it to hurt me, right? I don't know if that makes sense, or but I don't want trading to, I don't know, to hurt me again. I just want to trade out of love. And if when you do that, when you don't care about the results, you're not gonna get affected by them. They're not gonna make you feel any single pain because you're gonna see every loss, every setback as a lesson, and you're gonna be excited to keep going. That's kind of how I see things now. But yeah, I'm gonna take a small break. I'm probably gonna back test for. I need to really focus on trade selection and wake up because my trading has really fell off hard lately. Hard. But it's all good though. I'm gonna go take a 10-minute break and I'm gonna be back. Probably, realistically, I don't know if I want to be trading today. Like, we're very fucking garbage. Very fucking garbage price action. Maybe unless we come into this hourly here. But even this, I don't like this. Probably the only setup I would take is this euro one. But even this is not looking very great. They look like very low probability setups, which, yeah, even for a $30 account or whatever the size your account is, there's gonna be days you need to skip. That's what I feel like this day is. Very low probability. In general, the day before CPI is very low probability, and you don't want to really trade it. GU was nice. I did like GU. There was two opportunities even to sell here, but this buy here would have been enough, right, for me. This buy of this 1 minute market structure shift here, but I missed it. I took the day off here, boom, target this internal equal highs, and this 2R would have been enough for the day. You don't need more than one trade per day, but it needs to be a good trade, and that would have been it. But yeah, I'm gonna take that small break and maybe back in a couple minutes. So yeah, probably not gonna be looking to trade, as I said. Jules really bearish here of that 50-minute VG. No real entry, but yeah, I already took a lot of losses today. This might, this still looks decent here, but we just gotta think about probabilities and where we are. Also in the context. So right now I really need to lock in my trade selection, bro. Like, my win rate is crazy good when I lock in. My win rate is crazy fucking good, bro. My win rate is 50 to 60% when I truly lock in and truly take only those really good setups. That's what I'm gonna do actually today. I'm gonna backtest a bit more. Win rate is crazy good if I lock in. It's just I wasn't in the place to legitimately mental place to be doing things properly. Let's delete this. Let's start again. What are we gonna do? What pair are we gonna do? Should we do Nasdaq maybe? Let's try Nasdaq. Even though Nasdaq is not, I would prefer actually probably Forex and scalping, but let's just try and see what is Nasdaq gonna do. Let's choose 2021. Let's choose a random year. Let's just try and see. Trade selection is crazy. Like, my win rate is crazy good when I really take those setups that I know are good. That's what I probably should do from now on. Really lock in my trade selection, because it's time I stop fucking trolling, bro. It's really time I stop fucking trolling. Let's see what we got here on Nasdaq. There's one thing weird with FX replay. Market open happens a bit earlier, so in this case it happens at 3:30, which means here I would like to see the sell side sweep. If we don't see, I would actually like to be targeting it here, but context is not great. I want to see how we behave of Asia, of of London highs here. Let's see market open. We're about to open in like 20 minutes. Here we open. I want to see if we carry on bearish. Not great yet. Okay, that's good. I'm actually taking this. I like how this is looking. We do have these equal highs here, but and this, which is slightly dangerous, this small consolidation is small, but I'll actually see we're hunting this whole side. Let's see. Oh, this would be a crazy trade to take. I'm probably gonna move my entry low. Oh, I marketed, my bad, I marketed this. Or we might hunt for that buy side. Oh, now market opens, bro. What is this? Like, it's so weird, bro. Sometimes market opens at 3:30, sometime it opens at this, but I'll still be down to sell here. But I do want to see this inversion, like, I don't know, better. The market is really choppy. Don't like this move. I want to see if we support a move lower. We do, but oh my god, that's so fucking garbage. And look, our idea plays out. Fuck. Might also have a retracement trade. Yeah, are we taking this retracement? Let's try. I do limits here. Are you fucking serious, bro? Are you serious? The universe just be playing with me. Oh, look at this, bro. Like, the universe just be playing with me lately, bro. I ain't gonna fucking lie, bro. The universe be playing with me lately. We did take this outside here. I'll still be slightly down to continue souls though, unless we inverse this. See how 50 minutes looking. I do really like this. Oh, I do really like this buy side liquidity getting stacked here on the highs, but I do want to see get taken though. What are we doing, bruh? What are we doing? Oh, this was a good buy to target that. Oh yeah, that was good, but I want to see. I mean, this is already late. It's just such a short idea though. Oh my fucking god. Oops. Buy sell liquidity taken. Have like a 50-minute AVG here, maybe an hourly. Yeah. But what is this? This is why I kind of hate about Nasdaq. Like, the market open is so fucking choppy all of the time, but this still looks decent. Would I consider this an A plus setup? Probably be drawn towards this 1.4. It is what it is. That's our idea. That's what we gotta take. Already boomed. Yeah, see, that's why it's good. Oh, this was actually a good buy here of the hourly AVG, but liquidity is already taken, so usually don't really be trading something like this, but this was a really good buy here, bro, and still ends up getting manipulated. It's crazy work. It's crazy work. Nasdaq is crazy manipulative, bro. Crazy manipulative. Look at this shit. Oh my fucking god, bro. This one thing I really kind of hate about Nasdaq. It's very manipulative. Let's see. This can be a good short of this major high, but let's wait for market open. But we just look like we're printing higher for now. Yup. And we not gonna be taking shit here. Oh my god. I do like this. Oh, I like this sell side here. I'm just trading off it if we manage to reach into it. Okay, we could have even maybe targeted it. Okay. Oh, wait. There's still a good buy, but we need to react. I want to see us close above this. That's going to be my buy here. If we close above that, straight up buying here. Stop loss below this low. We can target this internal. Oh, this is a nice power of 3 type setup. I would call it however you call this shit. Are you on trial? What do you mean? I'm backtesting. Oh yeah, on trial, yeah, on FX replay. Bruh. Like, come on, I don't even know what am I doing at this point. Every setup I fucking take fails, bro. What am I doing? And then, like, this is why I say I hate fucking Nasdaq, bro. Look at this. Oh, never mind. I entered pre-market open again. I'm stupid, bro. What am I doing? Like, I'm brain dead. I'm always on trial on FX replay. I never really buy FX replay. I always do free trials over and over again. Idea again, perfectly right, bro. I traded pre-market open. Let's see, hourly. Do we have something higher time frame? I wouldn't really be trading here though. I would like to see this get taken. Let's see. Let's wait for market open. Market open now. It's probably just gonna go, bro. I don't even like Nasdaq that way. Sometimes it has good setups, but most of the time it's so fucking manipulative and so choppy behavior, bro. I don't know how people be in love with this pair. I'm not gonna lie, bro. How are people in love with this pair? I mean, look at this, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. Nah. How are people legitimately choosing Nasdaq over Forex, bro? That's what I don't fucking understand. Why would you choose this goofy ass pair? This manipulative ass pair. Look at this shit, bro. Like, god damn, I'm probably not never gonna be even trading Nasdaq, bro. This pair is dog shit. I don't know how people be trading it. It's way too manipulative. Why would you be trading something that manipulates so hard? Let me just look at Geo now. Just let's do Geo and you're gonna see the biggest fucking difference of your life. So let's do March or some shit. Why are people so obsessed with Nasdaq, bro? I don't understand. Like, people be trading the Nasdaq like it's their whole life story and shit. What is the timing? We're almost opening New York, but we still have some time. People be trading Nasdaq like it's their fucking wives, bro. Okay, let's see where we are. We do have this hourly AVG here, but I'm not sure if I want to be trading buys. It's weird. I wouldn't be trading here realistically. Of the inversion, maybe. Oh, the gap got closed anyways. Let's see 50 minute. We do have a kind of bearish gap getting printed here. I would still prefer looking on bias here of this buy side liquidity rate and now retest that shit. If we inverse this, I'm straight up taking it. Yep sir. Where are we targeting? On the lows. Easy. This should be low resistance. Should be low resistance though. Every setup I'm taking is failing. I don't know what's happening, but okay, again we got manipulated. Apparently well, we didn't. We entered. We had good entry though. We were not trading. Bad timing. Let's see of the sweep. Do we carry on lower of the sweep, or do we hold the consolidation higher? That's the question. We just... Okay, it's probably gonna be a stop loss. Oh, never mind. Timing. We still should be chilling. I do want to monitor these lows here. I'll probably take a trim here, like 50. Go break even. I think that was an unnecessary trim. Yeah, that was unnecessary. But it's all good though. At least it still worked. But yeah, these are the setups I should be trading. I don't know what I've been doing until now. Generally, I have no idea what the fuck am I doing until now, bro. Let's wait. Like, these are so clear, like so clear for me how I should be trading. Yet lately I've been taking fucking dog shit trades, bro. I wouldn't be trading here. This is definitely no trade area. Maybe off the sweep of this high, but it's a lot of resistance. Here we should be fine, but I would want to wait. I would want to see some structure. We need to use higher time frame, and even in scalping, I don't know what I've been doing until now. Jesus fucking Christ, what am I doing? It looks like it's gonna get inverse, but could have been a short idea here, but I don't like it. Yeah, this can be... I don't like it. I don't like the market here. And we ended up leaving, but that's weird as fuck though. Still weird. I wouldn't be trading here. Maybe off... maybe a continuation here, but it looks like shit. I don't like this. I'm just gonna skip towards the next... Oh, okay, we ended up holding, but still I wouldn't be trading this. Bro, I'm so trolling lately. What am I doing, bro? I need to wake up to reality, like Mother Uchiha says. I mean, I would be down to keep shorting here. We had this pretty nice rate on liquidity. I wouldn't really say we reach back into it, but let's see. This already, like, this looks like a no-brainer for me. I don't know why. I'm just gonna trust my intuition here. Maybe it's risky, but I just want to, like, right now I really want to test this because this looks like an intuitive play for me. This looks like we're just gonna melt lower off here, but let's try and see. We do have the sell side, which doesn't make it great, but yeah, let's see. Do we hold towards Asian lows? We should technically have no problems, but look like we're struggling a bit here. Yeah, we're probably gonna come back. Like, don't tell me you just manipulated me. Now you're gonna go, bro. At least that, bro. At least that. Let's see here if we carry on, but this is lunchtime. Yeah, we just inverse trend, but this was still a good setup. I don't really see we didn't even fail off anything. Do we have an hourly gap? We did. Maybe that's why I shouldn't have shorted, but still, this looks bullish towards this. I don't know what's happening lately. Okay, now we rated that. That was a pretty decent sell of there. I just want to skip here. Oops. But still, I don't really see any setup here to have sell side. Ooh, can we take these shorts towards the sell side? We have a POI. We do have that big ass consolidation, so I would consider this as a valid POI. And we are almost closing there. Let's see. Just intuitively, I'm gonna target here, not the low. I knew it, bro. Bro, every setup I'm taking fails, bro. What is happening, bro? Ah, fuck me. I'm tired of this shit, bro. Every setup I'm taking fucking fails. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm tired, bro. Now I feel like giving up more than ever. I'm not gonna lie. I had to switch from scalping from intraday trading to scalping, and it's not looking that good. I don't even know, bro. I just feel like crying, to be honest. I can't be doing this, bro. I don't know what to do, man. I just feel like fucking crying and, I don't know, stopping this. I feel like I'm blind. I feel like I cannot see any setup. I feel like every setup I'm taking fails, man. Oh my fucking god. I need to be taking a break, bro. I cannot be trading right now, bro. Oh my god, bro. I don't know, I want to give up more than ever right now. I generally feel like this is the hardest it's ever been, and that's how it always feels like, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. I have no idea what to do, bro. Right now, I really feel like giving up, generally. More than ever. I don't know, bro. I cannot be streaming, bro. I don't know what I need, but I cannot be trading right now. I cannot backtest. I cannot do anything. Every trade, every setup I take fails. I need to take a break from trading. I definitely need a break. I need a break. I need to reconnect with my love for this, or if it even exists, that love. So I'm gonna see you. I don't know when I'm gonna see you. I don't know. I don't know. I really feel like giving up right now. I just need to take the day off. I need to do something else. I think I might start doing something else. I'm not sure what, but I need to take a break from trading until that love comes back.